Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore powerful vanishing point workflow in Photoshop. This tool is ideal when you want to place new graphics into angled surfaces. Begin by selecting a clean image that has strong perspective lines. Open the vanishing point panel and draw your plane along the correct edges. Make sure the plane is proportional and follows the depth accurately. Now copy any logo or design you want to embed into the surface. Rotate it inside the vanishing point window, not on the main canvas. As soon as you drop it in, the design automatically adopts the perspective. You can resize and reposition